A famous financial advisor and member of the XRP community sees potential in the forthcoming XRP ledger as a source of passive income. Until the conclusion of the SEC action is known, does top Bitcoin trader Elite Crypto think XRP has moon potential? At long last, the PitchBook algorithm has provided its estimate of Ripple's chance of being covered by the media. The question of whether investors can put those forecasts to use persists, though. If you want to know more, you'll have to watch on until the end. If this is something that interests you, I highly recommend watching this brand new video right now. Greetings, and thank you for tuning in to our channel, where we discuss breaking news in the XRP community and the cryptocurrency industry at large. If this is your first time seeing one of our videos, please accept our heartfelt greetings. XRP community members will be able to take use of the future XRPL automated market maker to generate passive income, as recently brought to light by Panos Makers, a prominent financial counselor and founder of Digital Chen. This chance was recently highlighted by Mikros in a post made on X. He also explained why investors shouldn't be too alarmed by the idea of temporary loss. He began by emphasizing the need for unrestricted cash and the value of automated teller machines. Market makers consistently stress the importance of liquidity in setting asset prices. Because of the importance of introducing sufficient liquidity, liquidity pools play an important role in decentralized finance. He claims that they are the foundation of decentralized markets like Liquidity pools are prearranged sums of money held in a digital agreement. Its intended usage is in token trading on decentralized exchanges, where it will serve as a source of liquidity. For liquidity pools to function, LPs and LPs must deposit funds in order to both contribute to liquidity and earn a percentage of trading fees generated by the pool. In this way, they can create a market and make money at the same time. Makers underlined the important role LPs play in the ecosystem, and emphasized that members of the XRP community may take on the role if they so choose. The potential for passive income from trading fees makes this an appealing option. The thought of temporary loss prevents most traders from being LPs, despite the fact that the money generation approach is appealing. When the assets in a liquidity pool depreciate in value over time, the pool's value will be different than if the assets were merely held, although Mikros argued that this is not as catastrophic as it first appears. It happens when the ratio of token prices in the pool begins to shift. Despite its negative reception, the product's creators stressed that it had a place in any winning approach. For example, LPs can use IL to implement a hands-free method of dollar cost averaging. Liquidity providers can hedge against XRP price swings by offering liquidity for an XRP and stable currency pair. Makers use charts to back up his statements, which address the widespread worry about potential price spikes. As much of the increase in I/O is cancelled off by errand fees, a 200% to 600% increase in XRP is still feasible. He proved that IL is insignificant as long as the entry point and the relative prices of assets in a liquidity pool pair are separated by no more than 50%. In addition, he highlighted the relevance of the one-of-a-kind ongoing auction method used by XRP ELLs. By allocating successful bid funds to LPs, this idea improves AMM by lowering the risk of temporary losses. XRP/USD and XRP/BTC are two examples of pairs that Mikros believes have the potential to bring in significant revenue and fees for LPs. But wait, there's more. An influential member of the cryptocurrency trading community recently tweeted his bullish outlook on XRP. Trader X, who goes by the Elite Crypto name, brags that he has a ton of XRP. Even though most investors were leery of XRP, the elite crypto investor continued to stock up on the cryptocurrency. He said that he went on a buying binge for XRP at the same time as investors were fleeing the cryptocurrency because of SEC scrutiny. He says, "I've got a bag of XRP in my portfolio, and I've been buying steadily even as the price has plummeted because of security cases." Bitcoin traders, however, claimed XRP sellers weren't taking legal threats into account. The single issue. He claims that they left XRP because it appears to be centralized due to the large amount held by Ripple. A persistent worry, according to Elite Crypto, is the Ripple effect. It's worth noting that XRP decentralization has been a topic of heated debate in the Ripple and XRP forums. A sizable portion of the ACID and escrow accounts that are unlocked on a monthly basis are held by Ripple. The Bitcoin trader, despite his reservations, lauded the Ripple team's efforts in their legal battle with the U.S. Securities Commission. Elite Crypto noted that Ripple's perseverance in the case had a beneficial effect on the company's growth. In addition, the Bitcoin influencer said that Ripple has established a strong brand business, which is affecting XRP's market position. He brought attention to the rising trading volume of XRP and the rising popularity of digital assets generally among investors. According to the market chart attached to the post, $259.6 million worth of XRP was exchanged on the Binance exchange yesterday. On the other hand, the 24-hour data from CoinMarketCap shows that market participants transacted approximately $1 billion XRP due to the Ripple effect and the rising popularity of XRP. The Bitcoin trader came to the conclusion that XRP was set for a huge uptrend, mentioning moon possibilities if this lawsuit venture was finally resolved. The question of the day is whether or not investors can put their faith in the results of the PitchBook algorithm. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. Jones used information from PitchBook, a leading VC/PE database. She mentioned how PitchBook has an algorithm that looks at information from 64,000 private company exits in the past. The algorithm tracked information about private companies that went public through an initial public offering, IPO, or a merger or acquisition in the preceding 5 years. This analysis led us to the conclusion that Ripple has a 98% likelihood of going public. The PitchBook software assesses the frequency and size of fundraising rounds, the number of patents possessed, and the depth of acquisitions, all of which were factored in by a Wall Street specialist who underpinned the thorough review of varied data points. Size of the workforce, total addressable market, growth in revenues, number of active investors, and financial stability are also considered. After conducting these in-depth studies, Jolan explained, the algorithm then gives each company a score. The rating is a probability indicator of how likely it is that the IPO or M&A will be successful. The model predicted a 98% chance of exit success through IPO for the blockchain payment company. Jones, meanwhile, stressed that the PitchBook's AI-powered machine makes no predictions on when the firm would go public. The odds of going public are simply given a probability score. Companies in the top 10% of the rankings in 2018 had a 3.8 times greater chance of a successful departure than their counterparts in the bottom 90% of the rankings, according to a comment published by Jones. Notably, after the firm's recent regulatory triumph, speculation about Ripple going public increased. According to a June report, a Wall Street analyst stated that the optimal time for Ripple to do its initial public offering, IPO, would be when XRP is selling for less than $1. In addition, analysts have predicted that the crypto community can expect a Ripple initial public offering, IPO, within a year of regulatory success. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for alerts. See you later, bye.